Good morning, fam. You ever wake up and feel like your legs just won't move the way they should? Your hips are rusted shut and your hamstrings are still stuck in yesterday? This will change that. Let's hit the mat. Start standing, hinge from your hips and let your upper body melt forward. Knees can stay soft. Let your arms dangle or grab opposite elbows and sway gently. When life feels heavy, this move gives you the gift of gravity. I promise this will decompress your spine, release hamstring tension, and quiet mental noise in under 60 seconds. Beginners keep knees bent and fingertips resting on thighs or shins. Advanced stretches, straighten the legs and draw your chest towards your thighs. Most hamstring tightness isn't just from working out, it's from sitting. Can you surrender for just 5 more seconds? Let go of control and breathe. We're not done. Let's go deeper. Come down to the floor, step one leg forward, extend the front knee and slide the heel out. Keep your hips squared. Flex the front foot and lean into the stretch. This is a stretch we tend to avoid because it holds the most truth. This will lengthen your hamstrings, unlock it and tension your hips, and restore mobility where you've gone numb. Beginners, place yoga blocks or hands on your thighs. Advanced stretches, fold over your front leg and hold the stretch. Here's what most people get wrong. They force it, but this stretch rewards patience. Do you feel that yet? If not, adjust your hips and flex the foot. Now hold for 5 more seconds. That just unlocked your back. Now let's loosen up your hips. Step your right leg forward into a low lunge. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, sink into the hips. Gently pulse or rock forward and back. This stretch is the hinge point between your upper and lower body, the missing link in most people's routines. I promise it will free up your hip flexors, improve posture, and reduce lower back stress. Beginners, keep your hands on your thigh. Advanced stretches, add a twist or reach the arms overhead. Hold it, then rock, then deepen. Now 5 more seconds of stillness. We're not balancing this out, we're building rhythm. Now switch sides. Step your left leg forward and find that pulse again. You might feel more restriction on this side, and that's okay. Most of us carry more tension on one side of the body. I promise this isn't just opening your hips, it's releasing control and training grace under pressure. We're finishing strong with a full body movement that tests everything we've opened. Can you drop 1 inch lower? Five more seconds. You've got this. Now let's tie it all together. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart. Drop into a deep squat. Grab your toes or ankles. From here, straighten your legs as much as possible. Then drop back into the squat. Repeat. This is your final challenge. Mobility, balance, breath, strength, all in one. I promise you'll unlock your hamstrings, open your hips, and wake up every major joint in your body. Beginners, don't worry if you can't get low. Just move within your range. Advanced stretches, keep your heels down and chest tall in each squat. Here's a challenge. How many slow, smooth reps can you do in 60 seconds? Breathe into it. Own it. Now finish strong. 5 more seconds. You're not just stretching, you're building a rhythm your body can trust. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy. Even when you sleep 8 hours, when you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. All delivered daily to your email inbox, and it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm and deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.